Okay, I'm gonna try to show you guys how to flip your social medias. It's one thing to have all these followers, but if you have a following, your bank account does not match, what's the point of having a following? Like, you need to utilize your following. That's my whole thing. Like that's why hustle is behind me, because it's about everyday hustling. And I feel like a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of Instagram people just do funny content and just love the clout, but they're not trying to get the bag. And I'm gonna teach y'all how to get the bag, okay? I'm about my bag, okay?
AK, Asha, AK, Kosh, AK, Asha, Let me hop on.
Hi my beautiful astronauts, it's your girl AshaKosh back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up you guys? My name is AshaKosh. Some people call me Asha, some people call me Kosh, some people together call me AshaKosh. Whatever you prefer, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So you guys, I recently just graduated from Georgia State. I got my associate's degree in business management, and I love going to school. I might even go and get my master's or my bachelor's degree. It just really just depends. But I am going to be starting this new series teaching you guys how to make money on your phone and how to make money at home, because since I've been 16, I've been making money on my phone, on the internet, so I'm able to have my apartment and to live the lifestyle that you guys see on my channel. And I said, you know what, my goal in life is to be a millionaire by 25. And I feel like I've been doing a lot of mantras and manifestation, but the key to like becoming a billionaire, I feel like, is giving back and showing other people how to make money. And I want to use my platform and give you guys the tools that I've learned throughout my way and how I made the money that I've made. If you Google my net worth, it does say that I'm worth $1 million. I'll show you guys the article. So I don't want to just be worth $1 million or have my net worth be $1 million. I want to have $1 million. So my goal is to be a millionaire by 25. So I want to show you guys how I'm going to do it. I want to have this series where I'm showing you guys different things that I've tried, that I've done in the past that didn't work. Like, there's so many business ventures that I've gone on. It's insane. And I had never really documented it because I was kind of nervous and shy and embarrassed really that I've tried these different, business opportunities and they either failed. But that's the beauty of life, and that's the beauty of entrepreneurship, is fail until you succeed. So that's what I want to give to you guys, another way of how to make money. And I've made about $1,000, a little bit under $1,000 making money off of Instagram, the app. So I've made more than $1,000 on Instagram, and that's due to my following. You guys, I have like 94K on Instagram. I'm really trying to get to 100K. If you guys are watching this video, please subscribe and get me to 100K. I'm about to start posting more on Instagram. If you guys haven't seen, I have a video showing you guys how to make money on, or how to grow your followings. I have 2 videos, so I'll link them in the little eye ahead so you guys can start to grow your followings and use my tips and tricks that I have to grow your following. You guys know this is a money making video, so your girl had to stop the video for the sponsor. You guys, I haven't made money. I'm so sorry. This video is sponsored by KRKC and Company. It's a jewelry company, you guys. If I have a discount code, it's gonna be linked in the description with the links to all the jewelry that I got. I'm gonna show you clips of the jewelry that I got from their company. You guys definitely shop with them. Line of jewelry, they have such a good selection. I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to be a millionaire by 25. And I feel like if that's my role, if that is my path to be a millionaire, I don't want to be spending all my money on jewelry, because I feel like jewelry can either get lost, stolen, anything can happen. And so Kim Kardashian is not going to wear real jewelry. I'm definitely not about to wear real jewelry, just because I don't care about being flashy. Like, flashy is cool, having jewelry is cool. Like, that's why I'm working with this company, but I'm not gonna spend thousands and thousands of dollars on jewelry. I'm simply just not gonna do that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to make millions, but I'm not trying to spend my millions on jewelry that looks just the same like real jewelry, but it's not. You know what I'm saying? It's costly. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys through the Instagram app how I made about $1,000 using Instagram. And I'm going to show you guys my receipts so you guys don't think I'm lying to you, that this is all facts, and you can always fact check me. And that's on motherfucking period. I'm sorry if I sound a little southern or I have little city girl tendencies, but you guys, I'm from Atlanta. This is just how I talk. But I am educated, so you know what? I'm a young Black education. I know I have a purple hair wig. This is probably, you guys, hey, my thing is be you. Be you. You can't get mad at me because like this is me. I'm not gonna judge you, don't judge me. And all of this money that I've made off of Instagram thus far has been on the Instagram app, has been on live. If you don't know and you're not a part of an Instagram business profile, you need to, because with the business profile you're able to make money. I believe you are able to make money if you have at least 10,000 followers. I think I have a video on how to get 10,000 followers in a month, so go watch that if you're trying to figure out how to even get to that following count. Once you get to that level, you can make money off of Instagram going on live. And this is all information that you can find on Instagram. If you go look and ask for like learn more, they have it all written down and broken down for you so you can know how to do it. That's how I learned, just by reading. But some people, you know, want to watch a video, and I understand that, and that's why I'm making it, because nobody's making it. You can enable your badges. All you have to do is put your name, your last name, your social security number. If you have an LLC, business number, or social, you know, individuals, tell them all your tax information. You can link your bank account, or you can link your PayPal. Instagram pays out badges on the 8th of every month to your PayPal or bank account, whichever one you link to. And badges are basically money sent from your supporters, the people that join your live. So if you're on live and you're talking to your live fam, that's all I call my fam, the astronauts, you know, I'm talking to my live fam. I always be telling them, support me. If you like my content, if you're here and I'm entertaining, you know, always send me some money, because that supports me and that makes me, you know, be able to keep on being me. And then also Instagram allows you to write a message with your badges, and the badges people can send you, there's like 3 levels. It's $1, I think $2, and $5. Instagram does take a percentage, but that's nothing compared to the bonuses they give you with milestones. Not only can you get paid from Instagram with the live badge, you can also get paid through their new program, Milestones. I don't know, I feel like Instagram, no offense to anybody when I say this, but I really do feel like Instagram and all the other social medias are trying to ban Black creators. I feel like as a creator, I'm always getting banned or getting told I can't use badges for 24 hours off of just strictly me being me. And I'm always having clothes on, I'm always, you know, I'm dancing. I feel like my white counterparts are able to do the same type of content as me and not get banned. Like, I have so many friends, I have a list of friends that have been banned, got their accounts removed from Instagram alone. So it's really sad that I'm trying to tell you guys how to make money when a lot of my creator friends that have been doing this for years, their accounts are gone and they can't even utilize this new feature. So I feel like Instagram is doing a lot with that, and I don't know why it seems to only be affecting my Black counterparts, but I just wanted to put that into this video, just, you know, because I stand for Black people and Black creators, and I'm a Black creator, so of course I'm going to speak up for my community. I'm so sorry, I had to add that into this video. And milestones is Instagram bonuses that they are trying to give to creators. And the first milestone is just getting on Instagram Live. You have to enable your milestones as well. It's just a simple, like, once you have your badges on, your milestones are automatically enabled, so you're able to make those Instagram bonuses like I'm telling you right now. So the first bonus is if you're on Instagram for just 15 minutes with your badges on, Instagram will pay you $100. Your second milestone is if you're on Instagram with another person for 30 minutes. And when I did it, I was only on Instagram with the other person for about 2, 3, 5 minutes, and the rest of the 30 minutes I was on Instagram by myself, and I got paid $150. And then the next milestone was getting on Instagram Live for 15 minutes one time a week for 4 weeks, and they will pay you $250. And I did that one month, and I did it another month. Once I reached the first 3 milestones, I did those all back to back because they were only like 15-30 minutes just to get on live. Of course, boom, I'm done. The other milestones, they actually do measure, like, okay, this week is, you know, they count the weeks, so you can't really skip ahead, but you still get paid, you know, the $250, whatever it is. And also, you also get paid badges as well, because you have your badges on live. The money your supporters are giving you, and you're getting the money that Instagram is giving you as well to match. like I said, that's what I've been doing, and that's how I was able to make money and show you guys. Saw the guy super happy that he made $100. He made $250 that night just by getting on Instagram Live, and you guys can do that right now. If you guys have Instagram, check out it right now. I hope you guys use these tips and tricks and, you know, make you some money, and send me some screenshots if you guys do it and you use this and this video helped you. Definitely share this video, comment down below, like, subscribe. Yeah, and if you guys enjoy videos like this and you want me to continue to do this series, I have so many other ways of how I make money, like on the internet. Like, I have so many ways, it doesn't even make sense. I feel like a lot of creators don't talk about the different types of ways that they get paid on social media. And for being a creator for at least, I've only been a creator for 6 years, and I've seen so many different alleyways on how to make money on just having a follower, just having a platform. So I don't understand why more creators aren't talking about it. But hey, like I said, I'm gonna be the one. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you want to hear some more content about how to make money. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.